Hello, my favorite people. How are we doing today? Let's check in. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. How are you doing today? I'm doing okay today. Today I have been cleaning up some of my daughter's stuff. She moved away to go to college 3 years ago. She graduates next month. And some of her stuff was left in her room, and so I've just been packing it up, gonna store it for her. Um, it's kind of sad as a mother knowing that she's not gonna live at home anymore. I mean, I know I'm happy for her that she is an adult and she's, working and she has her own apartment and stuff. But as a mother, it's kind of tough sometimes when your children get older and move out and your role changes. So I've been cleaning up, packing up her stuff, going through, getting rid of some of the stuff that she doesn't want anymore. Have you been cleaning up during this time? Have you gotten rid of some of your clothes or toys? Maybe you've outgrown some clothes or outgrown some of your toys or books. Have you been going through stuff? Sometimes that can be hard. In the end, it's really good, but sometimes it can be a little difficult to go through and get rid of stuff. I hope you all have a good weekend. And until I see you again, don't forget to be awesome.